I don't know what this dream means, but does it have something to do with your day-to-day life? Do you feel like you're held underwater and you're gasping for air? Maybe that's a message about what's happening in your day-to-day life. And is your mother still on the planet? Is she still alive? Is she somehow talking to you on the phone? Or maybe she's trying to communicate with you somehow? I'd love to know more. I feel like the connection to what's happening in your day to day life and what's happening in your dreams is very important. So connect that to what's happening in waking life and see if there's just a little nugget in there for you. Blessings.